Okay, we've been working on the brake here. So we got this upside down for now. Okay, we got to take this lever here and extend it and change it. And we want to put a longer rod on it here. So another inch longer here. It came with this link here, which does not work because this clevis is too short in here. So this clevis up here is longer. So you see how it goes back further. And what happens, it bottoms out up under here. So we had to grind that all, come on light. We had to grind that all out for clearance up in here. So it goes back and forth. It's real tight up here in this area here, and it bottoms out right there. So right now at full extension, we have room to do back here. There. Okay, so this rod bottomed out with the brake where it belongs. It's going to bottom out against the kicker shaft there if it goes that far, but it shouldn't go that far. We've got clearance up underneath, up under the cover in there, and we got it long enough it goes up in there before it was hitting right down here. So they had to cut off, they cut all the brake stop off and moved it way back. So basically reinvented this. How much we had up here? About 3/4 inch now?
About 5/8.
So we got it about 5/8 of an inch up in here and double plated it. And you can't see back there, there you go, a little bit. So we plated it back there, doubled it up. So now when this is bottomed out like that and it's laying on top of the heim joint, you can see how we're below the lever right here. Now if we were way up here like that, that means you'd be binding right in here. You could break the clevis off, which would be a problem. So now we got this where it goes all the way forward like that, doesn't hit out anything. Our brake is right here. So this will go back and forth. That is not going anywhere it does. Okay, and it'll sit probably more about right here. Now you want to have these where they go over center. Your center line goes straight up. You want to be before and after as it works. That gives you maximum pull and maximum leverage. So this is kind of how you want it. Before they had this thing laid way back here, and you had almost no leverage and a lot of movement here, but you didn't have much movement on the rod. So your brake pedal moved a lot more than you were getting back here. You had real bad leverages and everything too. So when you do it correctly like this, everything works correctly. So next thing is we got to get the brake lever back over there and get that on there. And we got to get our stop in here. So you did all that painting, you didn't put the stop on there yet. Yeah, we got to figure out what we're going to do for a brake switch. So you got that all oily for me? Don't lay it in the oil next time. So these are the two different brake switches. This is your 70s style switch, and this is your 50s and 60s switch here. So this is a push button. It pushes down on it. It's off. When it goes off, when it goes forward, the light comes on. So we have to figure out we got some kind of a lock tab we can hit against it or something. So we got to figure that all out yet also. So we got this part of it done, but now we still got to do the brake switch and the stop yet. So anyway, that's where we're at for now. That was a whole day's work just doing that. So there you go.